Ghana is set to welcome another addition to its local car manufacturing industry, which is really exciting for the country's automotive sector. Isuzu Motors is looking to launch a massive car assembly plant in Ghana, which would add to the already 6 local car manufacturing plants in Ghana. This plant will represent another vital step towards making Ghanaians conversant with locally manufactured vehicles. So stick to this video to the end as we explore this monumental stride being made in the local car manufacturing sector and the promising future it holds for Ghana's local automotive landscape. But before we begin, as always, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's get right into it. Ghana's local automotive sector is on the brink of a monumental transformation as Isuzu Motors, a prominent vehicle manufacturing company, is exploring opportunities to expand its operations within the ECOWAS region. Currently, Ghana and another country in the sub-region are under consideration as potential manufacturing hubs in West Africa, of which Ghana seems to be in a strong lead. The news follows after delegations comprising of director and senior managers from Isuzu South Africa recently visited Ghana to finalize their due diligence on the project. During their trip, they held discussions with the management of the Tema port. A supply chain executive at Isuzu Motors South Africa expressed the company's strategic interest in Ghana's automotive industry and emphasized the importance of Ghana's ports in their distribution networks within the West African sub-region. He stated that the purpose of their visit was to understand the operations of Ghana's port as they look to develop relations with West Africa and develop networks to distribute their products and components into these markets, and as other foreign brands have already done, makes them even more interested in the Ghanaian market. They are primarily looking for efficient partners that are world-class in terms of efficiencies and competitive from a price perspective as they move their products through these markets. And from the looks of things, Ghana is making quite the impression. This decision by Isuzu to set up a car manufacturing plant in Ghana underscores Ghana's growing reputation as an attractive destination for foreign investment and industrial development. With a rich history of automotive manufacturing expertise, Isuzu would also bring a wealth of expertise and cutting-edge technology to the table, positioning Ghana as a hub for automotive excellence in the West African region. The upcoming car assembly plant, when finalized, will be poised to have a significant impact on Ghana's economy, creating jobs, fostering skill development, and driving economic growth. With a focus on local assembly and production, the plant will generate employment opportunities for skilled workers, technicians, engineers, and supporting staff, thereby addressing unemployment challenges and promoting socio-economic development. Moreover, the establishment of the Isuzu car assembly plant will represent a strategic partnership between the government of Ghana and the private sector, signaling a collaborative effort towards industrialization and economic diversification. By leveraging the strengths of both parties, the plant will potentially maximize efficiency, productivity, and sustainability, setting new benchmarks for automotive manufacturing in the region. The plant's production capacity and output are expected to meet both domestic and regional demand for high-quality vehicles, ranging from commercial trucks to passenger vehicles. This not only enhances Ghana's automotive self-sufficiency, but also positions the country as a key player in the automotive value chain, contributing to regional integration and trade. As the Isuzu car assembly plant takes shape, it symbolizes a new era of industrialization and economic prosperity for Ghana. With Isuzu's global expertise and Ghana's conducive business environment, the plant will be poised to become a flagship project, driving innovation, investment, and growth in the automotive sector. Let me know your thoughts on this project unfolding. If you like content like this also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, as we always bring you riveting content. Check out this video next on amazing projects coming right here in Ghana that are amazing. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.